we're going to take and put this piston, let me adjust this so you can see. This piston is going to go into this cylinder. So I've already got this lined out with oil. I used S2P oil treatment, as well as down inside here in the ring compressor. So we're going to put this into here, and hopefully she'll slide right in there. Got number 2 in there yesterday. So anyway, we're going to, hopefully this will go about the same way. So let me see if I can zoom this in a little bit. I'll angle her down just a hair more. Okay. So first we got to get this into the ring compressor. Sometimes easier said than done. Oh, look at her. She's gonna cooperate. Sorta, almost. Always this stubborn last oil ring here. You have to expand it a little more. There we go. So we've got all the rings in there. Now we'll tighten her up. Hold all the rings, make sure she's on there straight. Okay. Now I'm going to take and wrap a rag around this end here so that when this goes in the cylinder, this part doesn't damage any part of the cylinder wall. So now we're ready to see if we can get her in there. Come on, here we go. Knew it wouldn't be that easy. Okay, so you come over the other side here. This is a plastic dead blow hammer. Starting to move. You can see that moving. So let me zoom that in a little bit more. It's just starting to move in there. Now we'll get a little more oomph behind it. And I always take you like a block of wood or something like this. You don't want to hit the piston directly on the top. You can see on this one where that's been done before. But anyway, we're going to take this wood. She just goes in there nice and easy. The trick is to not hit your fingers with the hammer either, and I shouldn't have said that because that's probably what will happen next. Let's see. Oh. See if this one will work. Nope, don't have enough room. She's going in. Oh, slipped off the top ring here. You can see this ring slipped out a little bit, so I'm gonna have to push her out just a hair and re-grasp that ring. There we go. Okay. Now, I'll take the tool again. Expand this open a little more again. Get it around that ring. Ring. Nice and easy. There she's in. I think. Yep, she's in past that ring, so take it. Okay, we finally got her in past that. That ring compressor is now in the garbage. Just let that be a lesson. As far as tools go, you get what you pay for. So anyway, we've got this in past the rings. I'm going to tap it in the rest of the way. And there we have it. The piston inside the cylinder. Now all I have to do is hook that up to the crankshaft, and we should be good to go.